Welcome to the Spend Wise Moms channel, your homemaking resource hub. Today, we're going to show you how to make a super easy, never-fail crust recipe. It can be used in recipes with only a bottom crust, like quiche, since you don't roll it out. I've never tried it with dessert pies, but I think I will, with a pumpkin pie or a pie with streusel on top. It isn't the kind of recipe you want to take to the county fair to win a prize, but it is the kind of recipe you will love when you want to make a quick, easy crust. You don't have to worry about cutting and shortening or refrigerating ahead of time. You just mix the 4 ingredients and press it into the pan right away. For this recipe, you use 1 1/4 cups of flour, 1/3 cup of oil, 1/3 cup of water, and 3/4 teaspoon of salt. I like to use olive oil, but in the video I tried canola oil. I've also used avocado oil or whatever I have around. Depending on your budget and taste preferences, figure out what works for you. Put all of the ingredients in a bowl and stir until they are mixed. You can do this by hand really easily. Press the crust in your pie pan and you are set to use it as you wish. I tweaked a recipe from the internet because I liked the basic idea, but it was too skimpy and hard to cover the whole pie pan. In the past, I've avoided recipes that use pie crust because of the effort it takes, but this recipe is so fast and easy and I love it. It won't win a Martha Stewart contest, but it will be easy to make and you may get hooked on it like I did. Thanks for watching the Spend Wise Moms channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. The light almost looks better, don't you think?
I do think so.
I probably should have put the salt in with the flour and mixed it first, but I'm not worried about it because it always works out. Does that look okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hold on, it's not focused. You get one hole in the middle there.
Yep. We don't need eggs for anything else, do we?
Not that I know of.
Oh, these are cold. I probably should have gotten a bigger bowl, huh? Like eggs sticking on it.